Hey everyone, welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. Today, I'm going to show you how to make any Android phone run smoother using a few simple tweaks in the developer settings. Whether your phone is brand new or a couple of years old, these tips will help you get the best performance out of your device. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to enable developer options. If you haven't done this before, don't worry, it's super easy. Go to your phone settings menu, scroll down to About Phone, and then tap on Build Number 7 times. You'll see a message saying you are now a developer mode. Now that we have developer options enabled, let's get into the settings that will make your phone run like a dream. Now open the Developers options and find GPU Debug Layers option. This option makes your phone use its GPU for 2D rendering, which can improve the performance of some apps and the overall interface. Just enable it. Now scroll down to the Drawing section. Here, you'll find 3 key settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Set all 3 of these to 0.5x. This will make animations faster and give your phone a snappier feel. If you want an even quicker response, you can turn them off completely. Scroll down and first enable Force Dark Mode, then enable Force for XMSSA, and the last enable Disable HW Overlays. Next, now enable Don't Keep Activities. The last one, set the background process limit to no background processes. With these simple tweaks, your Android phone should feel a lot smoother and more responsive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.